Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ask the Expert. I'm Tyler Gleeden, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of safety technologies for industrial automation. Specifically, we'll be discussing 2D LiDAR, 3D time-of-flight, radar, and how innovative 6 safety products leverage these technologies. Let's start with 2D LiDAR, or light detection and ranging. This technology is used in our safety laser scanners and uses an infrared laser to monitor a two-dimensional plane while determining if people or objects are infringing the user-defined fields. It's highly accurate and is commonly used for safety applications where large or complex areas must be safeguarded. 6 safety laser scanners, such as the Microscan 3, Nanoscan 3, are known for their precision and reliability. These sensors are perfect for applications like mobile and stationary robotics, where large or elaborate protective fields are crucial for safety. Next, we have 3D time-of-flight. Like 2D LiDAR, this camera-based technology measures the time it takes for infrared light to travel to an object and back. But with 3D time-of-flight, this is done with an array of pixels, creating a three-dimensional depth image of the environment. It's excellent for safety applications requiring detailed spatial information. The Safe Visionary 2 uses 3D time-of-flight technology to provide high-resolution 3D imaging. These sensors are ideal for safety applications where monitoring a volume of space versus a 2D plane is key, such as in palletizing, depalletizing, or small machines requiring multi-sided safeguarding. Finally, let's talk about radar. Radar, which stands for radio detection and ranging, uses radio waves to determine the distance, angle, and velocity of objects. It's widely used in safety applications due to its ability to perform well in challenging environmental conditions, such as dusty, dirty, smoky, or even outdoor areas. We offer advanced safety radar sensors like the SafeRS3, which provide reliable safety detection capabilities. These sensors are ideal for applications where 2D LiDAR and 3D time-of-flight may experience false trips due to challenging environmental conditions. Restart prevention is another great use case because of radar's ability to ignore static objects. One of the downsides to radar is precision. While our safety laser scanners and the Safe Visionary 2 can be configured for specific object resolutions to detect hands, arms, legs, or bodies, the SafeRS3 is only for body detection. To summarize, 2D LiDAR, 3D time-of-flight, and radar are powerful safety technologies, each with unique strengths. 6 safety products harness these technologies to provide reliable and precise solutions for various industrial applications. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our safety products, feel free to reach out to your local SICK rep or visit our website. Stay tuned for more Ask the Expert episodes, and until next time, take care.